As diverse cultures experience a threat to their lives, norms, and practices by globalization, there is a cultural backlash. As diverse means different cultures having diversity, diverse cultures experience a threat, it becomes a threat to their values, norms, and practices by globalization. There is a cultural backlash. There is a cultural backlash. Backlash means violence because of the globalization. When the cultural response does not simultaneously defend economic democracy and create living economies, it takes the form of negative identities and negative cultures. When the cultural response means the response of a culture or of a society does not simultaneously means does not along with the defend economic democracy. When there is not economic democracy in a society, there is cultural difference and create living economies, and it creates living economies, it takes the form of negative identities. Then this type of democracy or uh, culture takes the form of negative identities and negative cultures. Culture and economy are inseparable. The writer says that culture and economy are inseparable, means they cannot be separated. Both are attached. The neoliberal ideology of development and globalization wishes culture away. The neoliberal means the new liberal ideology of development and globalization wishes culture away. It wishes that there should not be any culture, yet culture dominates. Yet whenever there is a society, there will always be a culture. Culture dominates, culture rules in a society and becomes the surrogate for concern or livelihood. It becomes the surrogate means someone acting or used in place of another. It cares for concerns over livelihoods and economic security. Culture, it cares or concerns for the livelihoods of the people who are in a society, and it provides economic security to a society. Fundamentalist religion becomes, as Marx so aptly means suitably, fundamentalist religion. Fundamentalist means uh, the religion that has basic principles becomes, as Marx so aptly observed, an opiate of the masses. It becomes an opiate. Opiate means it has narcotic drug effect of on the masses. Fundamentalist religion becomes, as Marx so aptly observed, an opiate of the masses. It becomes a narcotic drug of the masses. Masses means people. The writer here wants to say that culture cannot be separated from the society. If the globalization and the neoliberal ideology wishes that there should not be any culture, it cannot be possible. Without culture, there cannot be a society. The concrete context of culture, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the languages we speak, the faiths we hold, is the source of our human identity. The concrete means solid, context of culture. Context here means relevance of culture. The solid relevance of culture, the food we eat, that is also a part of culture. The clothes we wear, that is also a part of our culture. Languages we speak, the language with which we communicate our feelings to others, that is also a part of our culture. The faiths we hold, the values, the norms which we hold, that is also a part of culture. is the source of our human identities. All these things become a part of culture, and all these things are a source of our human identity. However, economic globalization has hijacked culture. However, economic globalization has hijacked means it has changed our culture, reducing it to a consumerist monoculture of McDonald's and Coca-Cola on one hand, and negative identities of hate on the other. Economic globalization has changed our culture. Uh, it has changed our culture into a consumerist monoculture. Mono means single culture of McDonald's and Coca-Cola on one hand, and negative identities of hate on the other. The writer here wants to say that our culture uh, has changed because of economic globalization. Now we do not behave like a part of a society, but we behave as a consumerist in a society, and it has also negative effect, negative identity of hate also along with its effect. Peace and sustainability need society to move to a paradigm beyond economic globalization. Peace and sustainability. Sustainability means stability. Need society. We need society for peace and stability to move in a paradigm, in a clear example, beyond economic globalization. We need a society in order to live with peace and stability, uh, to move on the paradigm or the measure or the step beyond economic globalization. The writer here wants to say that society suffers much because of economic globalization. The writer is not in favor of economic globalization. Uh, in this way, in the essay, the writer Vandana Shiva adopts a judicious and pragmatic approach by advocating sustainable and productive development that takes into consideration the burning issues of climate change, food storage, and other important issues of prime concern to humanity.